How to subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you the most basic way to subtracting number in Excel. If you are advanced user, you should skip this tutorial. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. In column A, we have price, and in column B, we have our profit, and in column C, I want the total amount or the total cost. Okay, so I want price, and then I want to remove the profit, or I want to subtract the profit, and in column C, I want the total cost of this product. Okay, for that I need to deduct this from this. Okay, and I want to display it in this cell, which is cell C2. Now you need to write the formula where you want to display your result. So we want to display our result in cell C2. So I'm going to select that cell, and then I'm going to press equal to on my keyboard, and then I'm going to select the price, which is cell A2, then write minus, and then I want to minus the profit. So I'm going to select another cell, and we just created a formula here. You can see it says equal to A2 minus B2. Now if I press enter, this is the total cost. This is the price minus the profit, and this is the total cost. Now you don't have to manually write for all these cells. You can simply select the cell where you have just written the formula, and if you hover your mouse at the bottom right corner, your cursor sign will change to this black cross sign. Okay, now if I double click here, the same formula is placed all the cells, and your total cost has been calculated automatically. You don't need to write everything manually. So this is how you can subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. There are tons of advanced features, but this one is for beginner. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.